Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you are all doing good. So last 2 or 3 days I was not posting any video. I know I'm not consistent because I have some personal issue. One of my family member was not feeling good, so I have to take care of them. So I was not able to post any video. Anyway, we are back here and today I will tell you was a simply super extraordinary expiry, right? So market was not moving. In fact, we were expecting this for last 3 or 4 trading session. If you see, markets were not really moving much. Like what has happened is it was moving on the upside, right? But when it moves on the upside, what is going to happen is when it moves on the upside, it is going to move slowly, and when it comes down it will crash like anything. That's what is happening from 18,600, from 18,600 or 18,400 levels we saw 17,000, and in fact I was the guy who told even market will go to 15,500, right? So if you see our previous video, I was saying market is going to, I was very adamant and I was saying market is going to touch 15,500, but it never touched. Instead, what happened is from around 16,400 level, that was the low. From 16,400, market reverse, and we are saying almost today market closed somewhere around 18,400 or sorry, 18,250 levels. So that's an excellent move. But even though we were wrong, I'm agreeing. I was wrong. I was expecting market to be going down. I was expecting market to go to 15,000. I was not expecting market to reverse and come to 18,250, or even if it touches 18,600, we really know. I was wrong. There is no denial about that. But we had made money even if we are wrong. That is the true nature of the any trader, right? So today also I will show you was an excellent day and we made excellent money. Let me show you. So this is one of our what is that, Zerodha account. We made around 50k here. Then I will show you Zebu. We made around 26k here, and I will show you one more account of Zebu. Yeah, we made around 28k here, right? So altogether how much we made? We made more than 1 lakh rupees with a capital of how much? Around 50 lakhs, right? 55 lakhs. So you do the max, how much it is? 2.5%, or even I think 3% we made. But this was today's expiry, was an extraordinary expiry, exceptional expiry. We don't get expiries like this quite often. We get some expiries sometime. So when we get expiries like this, we will have to use these expiries to mint good amount of money. I'm not going to say we will make money in every expiry. Every expiry is not going to be easy. Some expiry it will move in one direction, or some expiry it will be very choppy. Even today's expiry was very choppy, but we managed to make good amount of money, right? So that was this thing. But if you see the markets are likely to go on the upside only. So that's what I am seeing here. So if you see here, Bank Nifty was not performing, right? So today's price action, if you see, Nifty was performing and Bank Nifty was not performing. Bank Nifty was the culprit. If Bank Nifty was helping us, sorry, if Bank Nifty helped us, we could have gone above 18,300, or even we could have touched 18,400 levels also. But Bank Nifty was not performing, so Bank Nifty was lagging and Bank Nifty was pulling the Nifty on the downside, right? So let's see how things pan out. If you see in daily chart perspective, so what I am seeing here is from 18,000 here, this is where we told that markets are going to touch how much? 15,500 also we told. Keeping in mind this support and resistance zone. So if I draw a trend line here in this area, around this area, if you see around this area 15,900, we were telling 16,000, 15,500 to 16,000 will touch. But what happened is on 20th of December, low was around 16,400. From there it reversed. It is going all the way till 18,200, and might be we will touch 18,600 also, which is the previous lifetime high. So going forward, what you have to do, all you have to do is just do a strangle around 18,000 and 18,500. If you are if you find it very hard to manage, you can even write strangles at 18,600 and maybe 18,000. So you are going to make money. So that's what we think, and that's what the open interest also show. So if you see this is the monthly open interest of Nifty. And see, as I told you, 18,000 there is highest open interest among put option. 18,000 is having the highest open interest, and 18,500 is having the highest open interest. So just now I told you, you can write a strangle between 18,000 and 18,600. So 18,600 also you can write, or 18,500 also you can write. So we are looking at monthly data, right? And if you see here in what is this Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty immediate support is going to be 38,000, and the resistance is around 40,000, right? So it's Bank Nifty is a whole different thing and whole different world. So you need skills to trade in Bank Nifty. I wouldn't suggest you to trade in Bank Nifty. If you are an amateur trader, please avoid trading in Bank Nifty, right? So as I told you, this was excellent expiry, and we don't get these kind of expiries quite often. And let us see what is this data about this thing. What is that? Let us see if FIIs have done something. So just a minute, yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm sure FIIs would have bought or sold, right? So that's I say sorry. FI would have bought in cash market. So let us see how they have whether they have bought or not. I'm sure, yeah. 13th January. What is this? 13th January FIIs have sold for 1,390 crores, and DIs have bought for 1,065 crores. Yeah, that's a cash provision. They have bought, the FIIs have sold for 1,400 crores, not 1,400, 1,390 crores, and DIs have bought for around 1,065 crores. So that's really surprising why in spite of FII selling, markets are going, inching towards the upper side, and that's really very surprising, right? Because I cannot believe this. I am thinking, and I am true. Like I will say, without FIIs, without the help of FIIs, markets are not going to go anywhere. But what I have been telling is, like what I am thinking is, when they sell, no, they sell in huge numbers. They sell for around 3,500 crores, or maybe even 5,000 crores. We have seen FIIs selling for even 5,000 crores. But now when they buy in small numbers. So if you see here, 11th January, they have bought for around 111 crores, 500 crores on 7th of January. So on 4th of January, 1,273 crores. So they have been buying in small numbers, but when they sell in large numbers. So we'll have to keep this in mind also. So 18,600 is going to be a good resistance to be taken out. Market is going to be kind of do some knee-jerk reaction around 18,600. So you will have to keep that in mind, and you will have to trade. So this week trade, you can take 18,000 and 18,600 strangle. Of course, you will have to do it at your own risk and responsibility. If you are going into loss, or if the market moves violently, you will face trouble, and you will need to know how to manage your position, right? So nothing much. So today is expiry day, so whatever data we see is not going to be relevant, so we'll keep that for tomorrow. So we have talked so much. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.